Yes, please. I'd encourage you to speak to them. They are here for you. I'll ask the question on their behalf.
ஓம் நம சிவாய.
Woo!
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் எவ்ரிபடி. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் உங்களெல்லாம் பார்த்ததுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். எனக்காக இங்கே வந்திருக்கீங்க. எப்படி நன்றி சொல்கிறேனே தெரில. ரொம்ப நன்றி, வந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. My sincere thanks to I don't know Hindi. I can talk in English, little bit that too. Kindly adjust.
So the question, and you looking there, is Kubera ko ha bolne ke liye, to say yes to a project like this, especially when Shekhar ji has come with something so different. What made you say yes?
Kubera is a very, very different film, very special film. This is not just another film or just another event. This is a very, very special film. Very close to my heart. I'm sure they agree with me. We had such fantastic experience shooting for this film, and some weird experience shooting for this film, shooting in dump yards and garbage trucks and stuff. And but you know, every experience teaches you something or the other, and we're very happy we worked with such a brilliant team, such a positive team. You generally don't get to see me often. I don't come out often, but this film, I think, deserves to be promoted like this. It's a very special film.
आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में a little bit, because we can see what you're doing and what you're going through, and it's giving us some pangs and pain. Please tell us, kuch bhi.
I play a beggar. Yeah.
Ah.
I did a lot of research, homework. I stood in the sun. All those are lies. I didn't do anything. So I just went there. I just had to follow my director. Shekhar sir was brilliant. He taught me like the nuances, what to do, how to do, the slang. So he made life very easy for me. It's a very different film, very different character from what I've played before. So I really enjoyed the challenge. I really enjoyed working in this film.
आपने शेखर जी को white angel बुलाया है, white-hearted angel from heaven. Can you tell us a little bit about him? You know, because he's not here, Raj. So.
That pretty much describes everything I feel. Shekhar sir is a fantastic human being. You will not meet a person like him. So clean, so pure, and such a good-hearted man. I mean, you know, you make a lot of films, you do a lot of films, you meet a lot of people, but it's when you meet like somebody like Shekhar Kammula is when you feel, you know, the travel is worth it. So it's because of this man I did this film. He narrated me just 20 minutes. I loved his energy. I loved his positivity, his approach, his honesty towards making his films or as a human being. So Shekhar is a great person, yes.
You know, during the making of a movie, कुछ moments आपके साथ forever रह जाते हैं, and you can't let go of them.
Yeah, me and Rashmika shot in a dump yard for about 7 hours, and Rashmika was fine. And I was, Rashmika, what is this? And Rashmika, sir, I can't smell anything. I still don't know. so many things like that. But it was not like, I read so many things that said it was a big challenge. We were there wearing masks and without masks, or we were there for 10. It was not that big a deal, actually. It was fine. But to see another part of the world, a side which you are not exposed to, you're always in your comfort zone where you're really comfortable, like you do only what's convenient, you know, you're protected. At least some of us are very protected. But I come from there. I come from very humble, rooted beginnings. Today I'm here by God's grace. I've seen that. To go back there, to see that world again, it was very enlightening and nostalgic. I'm very thankful to this film for so many reasons, but taking me back to my childhood as well is one of that.
Biggest gift. Let's clap to that journey. 2 decades. Dhanush, 2 decades in the industry, और आप कभी typecast नहीं हुए हो, and that in itself is a very big achievement. So here's my last question. How do you not manage to be this typecasted person? और ये बहरूपिया और ये वो जो इच्छाधारी नागिन कैसे अपना रूप बदलती है, आप अपना रूप बदलते रहते हो. What is this? You have changed your character so smoothly. We never get to know. How do you do it?
See, I'm just like a processor, computers. I don't do much of the hard work. You need data, right? My directors feed me the data. Most of the work, they do it. I just process it. I'm just a processor. All credits to the filmmakers I've worked with.
Thank you. That's humility for you. Dhanush, आप राजा हैं दिलों के. आपने break लिया है आपके shoot से. Thank you so much for joining us for Kubera. We believe we have to let you go, I know. So here's your audience giving some love as he says goodbye to us. Come on, everyone. Kubera.
ரொம்ப நன்றி. ஜூன் 20ஆம் தேதி படம் பாருங்க. கண்டிப்பா உங்களுக்குலாம் பிடிக்கும்னு நம்புறேன். Thank you. Love you. Love you all. Love you.
Woo! Thank you, sir. Thank you. As he says, oh, can we have a picture with the team? Yes. Dhanush, sir. One quick picture with the cast. Quick picture with the cast. Everybody, yeah? Everybody, I would like you all to huddle up as we want the picture with the cast. And we'd like a solo once we're done for Dhanush, sir. I think Dhanush sir आज हमारे लिए fast करके आए हैं. Lunch break के time पे यहाँ पे he's joined us. We're very, very fortunate.
My sincere apologies to the press and media. I have to run. I've come from work and I have to run back to work. Thank you so much. Jaldi milenge.
Goodness, goodness, goodness. That goodness is what sets him apart. I want to come to Nagarjun sir, but in just a bit. Shall we continue, everyone? I want to request a sound to increase the sound for even Naga, sir. Yes.
Hi.
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 Hi. As charming as ever you are.
Thank you.
And looking dapper. Mera pehla sawal is no matter how much stardom, no matter how much success, love that you see from your